What's up, beauty bosses? It's your hair business's best friend, Mikey, here with the Hair Business Blueprint and with my new book, Fearless Beauty. This book was written for you. If you're an entrepreneur, an inspiring entrepreneur, I am telling you, this book is what you need to read. This book has been endorsed by John Paul from Paul Mitchell, James Bronner from the Bronner Brothers. I know you guys know Bronner Brothers. That's James Bronner. Even Angela Yee from the Breakfast Club. It is 200 pages of what you need to know for your hair business. The first 4 chapters goes all into mindset. The next 4 chapters is let's get it done, let's do it, and I'll walk you through step by step and getting you going in your hair business. This is the book that I wish someone gave to me 15 years ago when I first became an entrepreneur. Now, what are we doing for the big book release, which is today, the day this video came out, May 4th, 2021. If you're watching it later, I'm sorry you missed out on some of the contests. But I have links in the description for 2 very important places. One, I have a Facebook event going. I am going to fly somebody to Atlanta. I'm going to get your flight, your hotel, $500 in cash, and I'm going to work on your hair business all day. We can go through your website. I'm going to answer all the questions. I'm going to set you in the right path for your hair business. The next contest we have is in our Start a Hair Extension Business Facebook group. Once again, I'll have a link below and you'll see a post. I am giving away 10 brand new laptops to people that are purchasing the book, and you get a second chance by leaving a review. Make sure you click those links, you check this out. And if you're watching this video afterwards, I'm telling you, this book is for you. I'm sorry you missed out on the contest. This book, I'm telling you, is a game changer for you and your hair business, for you as an entrepreneur. I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. So make sure you check it out. I have the link to the book in the description as well. It's over at that little site called Amazon.com, and I promise you, you won't be disappointed.